Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the installments of introduction to lock picking. I want to invite all of you to come along with me as I go down a new trip to learn a new skill. I have always been intrigued by the complexity and the ingenuity of locks and locksmithery. So even though I'm just nibbling around the edge of things, I have made a few purchases and moved ahead a little bit. So I thought I would share it with you guys because this is kind of like the third and last of the introduction into lock picking series, because the next video that I will do, I will be taking apart, disassembling and gutting this this particular lock right here. Now this lock is like the deadbolt I have on my front door. If it's a quick set deadbolt, and I've taken it apart. Now that's going to be the next video after I take this one apart. Then I'm going to go ahead and take apart the door on the deadbolt on my front door, because it's got something wrong with it, and I'm going to go in there and find out what it is. And so anyway, this will be the part of it. This came with one of the kits. Now, what I have received, if you know the emblem for Sparrow, then you can see it's the keyhole right there. I got the stuff from Sparrow that I was wanting to come in. Let me get under the camera. I ordered this and a couple of these mini pinning pads right here. And that comes with as a set, and then I went ahead and ordered an extra set. And then of course I got the tweezers. We already knew that. And let's see what else. Now I ordered the Sparrow has come out with this this lock training kit where you can go in and rekey it more or less, put in the pins and all that. And this set comes with, I didn't know that before I ordered the other ones, but it comes with the follower and also the two mini pinning pads. And then it comes with a set of these pins and these springs and another set of springs. And then it also came with, I ordered these different sets of bushings, different sizes of bushings. And this set came with these 4 different keys so that you can rekey a lock. Get some training on that. So that's just go to Sparrow and you'll see the details on this right here. Okay, if I can find the camera. So it comes with these keys. I put them in this little jar to keep them, out of the can. So anyway, then I set up this pinning table that I'm working on right now, and I needed something. I didn't have any idea for how I was going to hold the extra pins and springs and all this kind of stuff, and the part that I was working on, and one of these mini pads. So I was looking around, and I came across this beautiful picture frame that I've had without ever putting a picture in it for years. I mean, for 20 years. This has been laying around, but I didn't want to get rid of it because it was really in good shape. Really nice. So I decided last night, I just turned the thing, that fake picture that was in there, I just turned it over, and it became the white backing that you see behind there. And then this has glass on top of it, which makes these so easy to deal with. And then I put down on the table a really nice soft fleece white blanket, so that if I put a pin on there, if I'm working, I can just set a pin on there. It's not going anywhere. It's going to stay right where I set it, right there on that fleece top. As a matter of fact, I doubled it over, and it works great. So that's the progress I've made so far. And then also my pick set came in that I ordered from South Ord. It's my first really professional pick set. And well, what I consider. And boy, can you tell a difference in the tools, man. I mean, they're just so much stronger. They're tempered stainless steel. And then I ordered some a pack of 5 different size crossbars, as you can see right there. So that's gonna come in handy in some picking that I've already attempted. and some other nice things that came with different sets, but I've got them all in this one now. But look at this one. This is a beautiful. It just goes to show you the quality of the tool. Look at that. Let me see. Can you get it? Can you see that? Never know which way to put it, but it's just beautiful, man. I mean, you know, this steel is really highly tempered, and when you get it, you can put the sleeves on or leave the sleeves off. But I went ahead and put them on because I just like the way that Southord name looks on there. My first professional set, you know how it is. But I got to be honest with you, beautiful case, really nice leather. The set that I bought, that first set that I bought, on I got it for $11.95 or something like that. It's got that hard tempered steel, you know. I mean, that spring steel, and it's got these riveted aluminum handles or stainless steel handles, and I just kind of love this thing. I'm just you know, you don't. I guess you never forget your first set, right? But it has, you know, it's got a nice leather case and all that. It was just one of them off-brand name deals that I got a good deal on it. I feel like I did. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or not. I just bought it on Amazon. I got it really cheap and free shipping, and we got it in 2 days, and that's why I wanted it, because I wanted to get started. You know, I was like a bull at the ring, man. I wanted to get in there, you know. Then I got this this set that I ordered from Southord also, and this is the set of wafer picks, and I've tried it out on one of my lock boxes. It just opened it right up. One of those security boxes, you know. I mean, in no time it opened it right up. Didn't have a key for it. Haven't been able to open it for years, and I stuck this in there, and it just boop, it opened it right up. So I'm pretty sure these are really great. Again, they're from Southord. Low set for $25 right here plus shipping. I think it was about $31 once it got to me. But so far, you know, just being able to open that little lockbox, that proved its worth to me. So there we go. There's 4 of those that came in that set. So I think we'll stop with the purchases right there, and just see how these few last things work out for us. The tweezers work great, but my old tweezers work are sometimes they work as a little better for releasing the pins than these do. These kind of hold on to it a little harder. And on this one, on this lock already today, the homemade follower that I made worked better for grabbing the pin on the edge right there and holding it until I could get the tweezers off and get it pressed down, and so that I could move this forward. This one, it wouldn't work for me because it was just too thick, and it just I couldn't get the tweezers off when I was trying to get the pressure up to kind of pin it, you know, so I could get the tweezers off and push it down. This was too wide, but this one, you know what I'm talking about. It caught right at the base of the pin. I took the tweezers off, and then I was able to push them down, and I was able to just slide that right over. This worked better than this one for me today. So anyway, but you know, when working with those Chinese locks like this one right here, they machine out all this material right here on both sides just to make it cheaper, you know. And so you're gonna trap these pins up here so easily when you first start. I must have locked this pin up, or this lock up, about 5 or 6 times already, and had to take it apart. And the first couple of times I didn't have the right tools. Man, you talk about a job. But you know, it was all part of learning. So that's what we all got to go through. Okay, let's stop this video right here, and then we'll start with part 2.